Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettieri, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com. This is the 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Eastern Daylight Time update for Hurricane Milton. Milton's still at about Category 4. It's been going back and forth between Category 4 and 5, but as it gets closer to the Florida Peninsula, it'll probably maintain that 4 status, but either way, it's a terrific storm. The winds are about 145 miles per hour. I've got it located at this point by about 8 p.m. this evening, 30 miles to the east, southeast of Sarasota, Florida. Now, the eye wall is expected to cross somewhere between South Braden and I'd say Venice Beach. Just want to say straight on, right from here, listen to your local authorities. If, in fact, you can get information from the National Hurricane Center, cell phone towers may be having some power problems by later on today and tonight. Of course, just make sure you listen to all available information from the authorities to either evacuate or take cover in situations that will be developing and deteriorating weather-wise this evening. But here's the story. And to the north of that eye wall, of course, conditions are going to be horrible because of very close to the eye wall. You also have the possibility of tornadoes, of course, the strongest winds and the heavy downpours and the rains. The rain amounts are expected to be tremendous, basically somewhere between 6 and 12 inches of rain, and localized totals of up to 18 inches are a possibility. But it probably will cross the coast somewhere at or slightly below the Siesta Key area. It could be further north. Again, there's some wobbling of the system as it continues to move towards the area, but it's heading right now towards the northeast at 17 miles per hour. It's going to be slowing down a bit as it gets close to the coast because it's going to lose some of its energy source. The energy source of being the Gulf, once it goes over land, it loses that energy source. It starts to break down just a little bit, but still, it will be making land sometime between 8 p.m. and I'd say about 11 p.m. this Wednesday evening, the 9th day of October. And when it comes in, it'll probably be at around 140, 145 miles per hour in maximum wind speeds. And close to the eye wall, there will also be tidal surges anywhere between 10 and 15 feet to the north and to the south of it. The worst of it, of course, is going to be to the south, and that would probably be somewhere extending from Venice Beach southward to Rotonda into Port Charlotte, then also into the Fort Myers and Cape Coral area. Unfortunately, they'll be dealing with tidal surges of between, let's say, 7 and around 12 feet in those places. And that would be later on tonight and during the overnight. The conditions are starting to deteriorate at this point right now as the storm continues to move towards the northeast at 17 miles per hour. I'll give you an update today at around 6 p.m. You should have a pretty good idea of what's going on, but right now looks like the hurricane continues to steam northeast bound at around 17 knots, very quick. Strong winds along with the forward speed piling up that water to the east and to the south of the eye wall. That's what we'll be watching for tonight. Our prayers out to those folks down in that area. Hope you are prepared for the worst, and if you can get away, get away. I'm meteorologist Steve Pellettieri. Talk to you a little bit later today.